Did you know that missing sleep could be the reason your hard work at the gym isn't paying off? It's true. Without proper rest, your muscles can't recover, and your testosterone levels take a hit. Sleep isn't just downtime. It's when your body repairs, grows, and gets stronger. In this video, we'll explore why sleep is just as important as your workouts and how it can supercharge your results. Stick around, and you'll learn how better sleep leads to bigger gains and better performance. Testosterone is one of the most important hormones for building muscle, improving strength, and staying energized. But here's the catch. Most of your testosterone is produced while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases testosterone to repair and rebuild, helping you recover from workouts and prepare for the next challenge. Now imagine cutting your sleep short. Studies show that even 1 week of sleeping less than 5 hours a night can lower testosterone levels by 10 to 15%. That's like taking your progress and hitting pause. Without enough testosterone, your muscle growth slows down, your energy drops, and your results in the gym suffer. The bottom line? If you want your body to perform at its peak, you need to prioritize quality sleep. Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights. It's about the recovery phase that follows. Every time you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These tears are a normal part of muscle building, and your body works to repair them during rest. The process of repair doesn't just restore your muscles. It strengthens and enlarges them, allowing you to make progress over time. Here's where sleep plays a critical role. While rest days are important, sleep is non-negotiable for optimal recovery. During deep sleep, your body enters a state of repair and restoration. This is when growth hormone is released in large amounts, a vital hormone that drives muscle repair, tissue growth, and overall recovery. Growth hormone not only helps heal the microscopic tears in your muscles, but also boosts protein synthesis, which is essential for muscle growth. When you skimp on sleep, your body misses out on this crucial recovery window. You may notice prolonged soreness, reduced strength during workouts, and even an increased risk of injury. Think of it this way. Your workouts break your muscles down, but quality sleep builds them back stronger. Without enough sleep, you're not just slowing your progress, you're halting it altogether. So prioritize sleep as much as you prioritize your workouts. Skipping sleep doesn't just slow down progress, it can reverse it. When you don't sleep enough, your body releases more cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels break down muscle tissue and increase fat storage, making it harder to build the body you're working for. On top of that, lack of sleep affects your performance. Ever felt weak or unmotivated during a workout? That's the impact of fatigue. Poor sleep leads to less strength, slower reaction times, and a lack of focus. It doesn't matter how hard you train if you're not well rested, you won't see the results you deserve. To maximize your efforts, you need to make sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's your body's secret weapon for muscle growth. To get the most out of it, consistency is key. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This keeps your internal clock steady, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Your sleep environment should support deep, uninterrupted rest. Keep your bedroom cool. 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Block out all light with blackout curtains or a sleep mask, and minimize noise with a white noise machine or earplugs. Invest in a quality mattress and pillows for maximum comfort. What you do before bed also matters. Avoid caffeine, heavy meals, and intense workouts at least a few hours before bedtime. These can interfere with your ability to wind down. Instead, establish a relaxing nighttime routine. Turn off all screens an hour before bed. The blue light disrupts your melatonin production. Replace screen time with calming activities like reading, stretching, or meditation to prepare your mind and body for sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is the optimal range for muscle recovery, hormonal balance, and overall performance. Short naps can help when you're sleep deprived, but nothing replaces a full night's rest. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips to optimize your fitness journey. Share this video with someone who's chasing gains, but might be ignoring the power of sleep. Together, let's build stronger bodies and smarter habits.